14 points.
They love.
Yeah, today we mounted like 8 assists. So we did good.
Good job, Caleb.
Now I'm finna give y'all a tour when we get to the apartment. See y'all.
Peace.
Peace. Green apples.
Okay guys, so we just checked into the hotel. This is the Colton House in Austin and it is super nice. This is the 2-bedroom double and it's really good. So it's got like a little sitting area, kitchen, fridge, microwave, etc. So very good. I highly recommend it. Very clean, everything. Good location too. So we're gonna go ahead and I don't know, probably get showered or something, or we may go explore a little bit in Austin. It's about 10 p.m. so we may try to go out a little bit before it gets too late. Yeah, so anyways, just wanted to say hello and let you guys know we just finished the tournament. Caleb had an awesome game. We're gonna insert some footage. He had a 15-point game, 2 threes. It was just a really good game. So we're here and I'll get some more footage of the hotel in the morning when it's brighter out, because like I said, it's 10 o'clock. His last game was at 8, so we're gonna go ahead and just chill. Outfit came cute today. I'm a little warm, but it was all good. We're indoor in the court.
You make me move, you make me dance, you make my heart beat super fast. You lift me up, you make me laugh.
We have made it back home. That was a long weekend in Austin. We went to Austin, as you guys would have seen by now, for Caleb's basketball tournament. So he did really well, and it was a fun trip. So we stayed at a really nice little boutique style hotel, Colton House, and it was super cute. It gave sweet vibes, just really nice. It was a four-year-old boutique style hotel, very modern, very up to date. I loved it, and definitely would stay there again. Went back in Austin, so I highly recommend Colton House if you dolls are traveling to Austin, in the Austin area or in Texas, and want to have something that's affordable but very upscale. I was surprised at how nice it was for the price. It was like $170 for the night, and we're back today. Getting ready to just see the vibes. It's about 4 o'clock, so just all of the driving and being up and all of that all night. So I don't know if we're gonna do much today. Don't have a reservation anywhere, and it's actually Father's Day, so we'll see where the evening takes us. But for now, we're just getting ready to, I'm getting ready to clean the house, because I typically leave the house spotless, but there was just a few things like I need to mop, I need to wipe the counters down in the kitchen, I need to unload the dishwasher. I have some clothes from out of the dryer that I need to hang up, and then I need to unpack the boys' stuff and make sure that it's neatly put away in their closets. So just gonna do those things. I'm gonna put a movie on, change out of this sweatsuit, and then once I'm done cleaning, I will hop in the shower. But overall, it was a successful weekend. I have no complaints, and we stopped at the farmer's market on the way back again, got some fresh strawberries, some like nuts and dates and things like that, okra, peaches, and sampled their watermelon. So it's just a really nice little thing that we've done the last couple of times that we've come back from Austin. And also we get to see the baby chicks, because they have baby chicks there, and Josh really loves it. So we're considering getting him a baby chick, but he says he can't just get one, so it won't be lonely. So he may be getting 2 baby chicks as a little pet. And we're just trying to figure out, because it doesn't stay a baby chick, what happens when it becomes a big chick or an actual chicken. So anyways, that's something that we will work on. But yeah, so just wanted to give you dolls an update. Thanks for going to Austin with me, and I will chat with you dolls later.